Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office, and even though it's another gloomy and dreary January day, I'm super excited because I have the February Joyful Jordan box to share with you today, and this is a really good one, so I'm excited to share with you what's inside. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another Joyful Jordan unboxing video. If you're brand new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you've been coming back every week and every month to catch whatever videos coming out next, I so appreciate you being here. So if you don't know, I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, and I have been since 2004 because I've continually loved the products and the company. Their customer service is by far the best I've ever experienced. And I love having these healthy products that are made in Missouri, and it's a woman-owned company. Everything's just phenomenal. I don't have to read labels because they've done it for me. They've made sure all the ingredients are good for me, my family, my home, and I just love that they have everything I need. It's a one-stop shop. So this is our monthly surprise box called the Joyful Jordan box. I love it that the box comes ready to gift, so if you wanted to turn around and mail it to someone, you could just turn it over, add your address and who it's going to. It's a cute little box. It says open a little joy on the sides, and then on the top it has that pretty floral design with the Joyful Jordan label. It is a $29 box, and if you sign up for the recurring subscription, then you don't pay anything for shipping. So you get free shipping with your subscription. You can also just buy the box once and just do it in any kind of regular order. And then if you like it, you want to subscribe, you could always do that next month, or you could just get one and try it out and see what it is. Every month we're going to have some exclusive box items or some full-size products from the regular catalog, but you're going to get a good deal. Sometimes it's a combination of both. And the other thing that's exciting is right around the corner on February 3rd, we will be launching our new spring and summer catalog for 2024. So when you're watching this, it's probably just before that catalog launched, and I don't know what's in it yet, except I've had one sneak peek of one new product that we're going to be bringing, a new wellness line, and it's super awesome. So I can't wait to share more about that when it comes available. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this little box of awesomeness. These are so nice to gift. I actually have a customer who does a recurring subscription, so she gets her free shipping every month. And each month she changes the address for who it's shipping to, so she gets to gift this special little surprise to someone different each month. And it's just a great way to bless others with some special good for you products. They can have a little TLC, something new to try, something fun to experience, and it's all made right here in Missouri. So the box is going to come with a card, and the front will have some kind of pretty image or quote. This one says, "Love transforms from ordinary to extraordinary." And then it says, "Love your skin" in the middle. So that's kind of giving us a clue as to what's in this box. And we have 3 sets of items here. This is a duo, and I already have to tell you, this is such an amazing value on the box this month. So all 3 of these are basically in our catalog. This duo is no longer in the catalog, but the Shaylicious is. And we're going to talk about each one in detail. But I can, just by glancing, I can tell you what a great value this is. So for $29, you're going to get a full-size Spritz and Blitz, and this is normally $15 in our catalog. This is our toner mist, so instead of having to keep cotton swabs on hand, you just spritz your face with your Spritz and Bliss toner mist, and it is like a vitamin for your skin. Nourish and tone with 1 spray of this replenishing mist, perfect for a revitalizing quick mist for your skin at any time. You can use it after cleansing your face, mist your face 2 to 3 times and air dry, or you can apply it to a cotton ball and gently massage into your skin. The other thing this is great for is any freshly shaved skin. So under your arms, on your legs. If you get a little too much sun in the summertime, this is a nice cooling and nourishing mist spray that you can apply to slightly pink skin, and that can help with that too. So there's lots of great ways to use this, but I use it daily as my toner, and I just love how easy it is. I spritz it on, brush my teeth, and by then it's dry and I can go to the next step and add one of my anti-aging serums. So that's $15. Already we're at a pretty good value here. Next we have the Exfoliate and Hydrate Lip Duo. So this is our duo for your lips. One thing we have in here is in the catalog, and that is the Shaylicious Cherry Lip Butter. And this is lip butter that has shea in it, so it's that beautiful creamy moisturizing lip butter there, and it has olive squalane, which helps with anti-aging. And then we also have our exfoliating lip scrub, and this is a sugar lip scrub, and it has a little bit of a mint, hint of mint to it. So this is really good, especially in those dry winter months. You can scrub your lips and get them nice and exfoliated, and it's in a jojoba oil base, so it applies real creamy and smooth and even kind of moisturizes as you're scrubbing. And then I just wipe it off with a wet washcloth, and then you can apply your Cherry Shea lip balm, and your lips will feel transformed after all that dry winter air. So it says, kiss gunk goodbye with this bacteria-fighting lip exfoliant and hydrate your lips with the Shaylicious Cherry Lip Balm. Gently exfoliate the skin, then give them a boost of hydration, smoothing your lips. To use it, apply the exfoliant to your lips using small circular motions for about 30 seconds. Rinse lips with lukewarm water, and then use the lip balm as a daily moisturizer. So this is a chance to try our lip exfoliant and get your Shaylicious Cherry Lip Balm from the catalog. So normally I think this duo runs about $15. Don't quote me on that, but I think the last time we had it in the catalog it was a $15 set. So what are we at here? 15 for that, 15 for that. So we're at $30 already, and we haven't even gotten to the third product, and the price on the box is $29. So you can see the value is amazing here. Okay, the final product is our Shea-tastic. This is a deep daily moisturizer with shea butter. It says a gentle, soothing moisturizer that can be included in your daily face care routine. Rich, decadent ingredients support healthy skin that feels soft, smooth, and supple. Give your skin a little love. To use it, after cleansing and toning, apply to face and neck. Makes a great night cream. So especially in these dry winter months, if you need a little extra moisture, if your face is just feeling tight and dry, then our Shea-tastic moisturizer is going to be amazing for your face and your décolletage and your neck. And you've got that, which is in our regular catalog at $20. So you can see the value on this box is phenomenal. I think that makes it about a $50 value to the products in the box, and you're only going to pay $29. Plus you get to try some products from our regular catalog, see if you like them. You're getting a good deal on them, and then you kind of know next time around if you want to try to reorder these or try something else. And don't forget, all of our Joyful Jordan boxes come with these cute biodegradable packing peanuts. They just dissolve in water, and they're made, I think, from corn. Don't quote me on that either, but I'm pretty sure that's what I saw one time. I know they're biodegradable and they dissolve. They're really fun to do with kids, to do in like a sensory bin, or you can, the other thing you can do is if you have like a damp cloth, you can touch one end to the damp cloth and then it kind of moistens it, and then you can glue them together so you can make little craft projects with kiddos. And then of course at the end you can just wash it all down the sink, which is fun too. So that is everything that came in our February 2024 Joyful Jordan box. It's definitely a box to help you love your skin and try some of these amazing products from our regular catalog at an awesome price, get a great deal, and just give yourself a little extra TLC as we go into February. So this box will be available February 1st to the 29th, because this is a leap year, and I will have my special shopping link in the description down below, so you can use that to check it out. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button on your way out, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.